Have you ever looked at a diagram in your science book, pointed to a part, and said, "What even is this thing?" Well, imagine if your book could talk back and explain that image to you. Better yet, what if an AI chatbot like Gemini could do it instantly? Let me show you how that's possible and why there's something called a vector database secretly helping behind the scenes. Let's talk memory. Imagine your brain is a giant school locker. You've got textbooks, notes, snacks, okay, expired, all stuffed inside. But what if I asked, where's your math formula sheet? If everything's just tossed in randomly, it's going to take you forever to find it. But if you've used folders, one for math, one for science, one for cool cat doodles, you can find what you want in seconds. That's what a vector database does for AI. Making books talk. So here's what we're doing. We take an image from your textbook, say a diagram of the brain. We label parts of it with colors: blue for pituitary gland, red for optic nerve, green for something else. We make a little cheat sheet. Red equals optic nerve, equals send signals to the brain, equals important for surgery. Now, when you show this image to Gemini and say, "Hey, what's the red part?" it doesn't just guess. It remembers what that red color meant because we taught it using that cheat sheet. But here's the twist. Gemini doesn't store info like we do. It needs those cheat sheets in a special format that it can search quickly and smartly. That's where the vector database comes in. Okay, but what is a vector? Let's play a game. I say, big, furry, purring, loves naps on team boards. What do you think of? A cat, right? Even though I never said cat, your brain recognized the meaning. That's what a vector is. It's AI's way of storing the feeling or meaning of a thing using numbers. It's like a GPS location, but instead of finding places on a map, it helps AI find ideas that are similar. So if the student says, "What's the purple part?" or "Tell me more about hormones," the AI matches their question to the closest idea in its database, thanks to those vector numbers. Putting it all together. So, you 1. Label the images in your book with colored shapes. 2. Make a cheat sheet that explains each color. 3. Store it in a smart system. 4. Show the picture to Gemini and say, "Explain this." It searches, matches, and responds like a tutor sitting next to you. You've just made a regular textbook interactive. So next time someone asks, why not just let AI figure it all out on its own? You can say, because even smart tools need a smart filing cabinet. And that's what vector databases give us.